Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily connect your Monday.com workspace to n8n, a super powerful automation platform that lets you build complex workflows without writing a single line of code. If you've ever used tools like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, n8n works in a similar way, but with way more flexibility and control over your automations. So if you're ready to make your Monday boards work for you automatically, stick around. So first things first, what exactly is n8n? n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool. It helps you connect different apps and services so they can talk to each other automatically. Think of it like this. You create a trigger, something that starts the workflow, and then define actions that happen as a result. For example, when a new item is added to your Monday board, n8n could automatically update a Google Sheet, send a Slack message, or even trigger an email. It's like having a personal digital assistant that runs in the background 24/7. Now, why would we want to connect Monday.com to n8n? Well, Monday.com is a great work management platform. You can manage tasks, projects, teams, and workflows. But some actions still require manual input. By connecting Monday to n8n, you can automate things like creating new boards or items automatically, deleting or updating tasks based on triggers, sending reminders, syncing data with Excel, Google Sheets, or even CRMs. Basically, anything repetitive or time-consuming can be automated, saving you hours every week. Alright, let's get into the setup. To connect Monday.com to n8n, you'll need an API token. That's basically your personal key that allows n8n to talk securely with your Monday account. Here's how to get it. Go to your Monday.com account. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Then go to Administration. On the left sidebar, click on Connections. You'll see two sections, Automation Connections and API, Personal API Token. Click Generate API Token and copy it. Important, never share your API token with anyone. It gives full access to your workspace, so keep it safe. Now, let's head over to n8n.io and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, click New Workflow. You'll see an empty canvas. This is where we'll start building our automation. Click the plus icon to add your first node. Search for Monday. That's the app we want to connect. When you select it for the first time, n8n will ask for your Monday credentials. Paste the API token you copied earlier and save it. Boom! Your Monday account is now connected to n8n. You can create a simple example workflow. In n8n, every automation starts with a trigger. You can use triggers like cron, schedule, runs every few minutes or hours. Webhook, triggers when something happens externally. App event, runs when something changes in Monday. Let's say we want to automatically create a column in a Monday board every time a certain event happens. Add a trigger, for example, a schedule that runs every 5 seconds or once a day. Add another node and select Monday.com. Choose Create Column as the action. Select your board, name your column, and choose its type. Save and execute the workflow. Once you test it, boom, you've just created an automated workflow connecting Monday.com and n8n. You can go further and build complex workflows with Excel, Google Sheets, Slack, or any of the hundreds of apps that n8n supports. Now, if something doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Make sure that your API token is valid, your credentials are connected properly in n8n. You've selected the correct board and item IDs. If you follow each step carefully, everything should run smoothly. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned how to connect Monday.com to n8n and start building powerful automations that save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future automation tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.